Hi friends, here is another problem which is very verbose but very easy. A rectangular sheet of paper, when half by folding it at the midpoint of its longer side, results in a rectangle whose longer and shorter sides are in the same proportion as the longer and shorter sides of the original rectangle. If the shorter side of the original rectangle is 2, what is the area of the smaller rectangle? Right. So, for example, if the original rectangle is like this, original rectangle is length and whatever is breadth, right? And original rectangle breadth is 2, which is already given, right? Breadth is already given. Breadth is already 2, right? Now, if you fold it like this, the new length for original rectangle length is L and breadth is 2. So, length by breadth is actually 2, right? Length by breadth, right? Now, this ratio is same for the new rectangle. For the new rectangle, what is the length? Length is 2. And what is breadth? Breadth is L by 2. Right, L by 2 equal to 2 by L by 2. That's what we have written here. L by 2 equal to 2 by L by 2. What does that mean? L by 2 is equal to 2 into 2, 4 by L. What does that mean? L square equal to 2 fours 8. L is equal to L square is equal to 8. L equal to 2 root 2. Right. Now, what is the area of smaller rectangle? That's what we were asked. Area of smaller rectangles is this L by 2 into this 2. Right. This is the area, right? L by 2 into 2. What is L? L is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. L by 2 into 2. What is this? 2 root 2 by 2 into 2. So this will get cancelled 2 root 2. This is the answer. Right. It's a simple problem. Just that it looks verbose. CAT generally does this. It gives very verbose questions, but the answers are very simple. You should not get confused by the size of the problem. Irrespective of the size of the question, the answer is very small. Right? Thank you, guys.